Oh, hi. I look horrible. Oh, goodness. My hair's a mess. Currently, oh, that's the saddest thing ever. Just a mess of my things, but anyways, day 2 of Vlogmas. Sorry this is gonna be uploaded kind of late. You know, Alexia was using my camera all day. You know what, I'm just gonna go yell at her right now. Give me a second. Hi, Alexia! Thank you for hogging my camera all day! That's what you get! Oh my goodness! Dog war! Sarah! Dog fight! No! No dog fight! No dog fight! Sarah, down! Yes! Get him, Lacey! Sarah, down! Kill him, Lacey! Kill him! You can do it! Attack that Titan! Attack on Titan! Attack on Titan! I mean, attack the Titan, or attack on Puppy. Yes! Kill him, Lacey! Kill him! Bite his head off! Bite his head off!
Don't kill him!
Bite his head off! Bite it off! Bite it off! Bite it off! Bite it off! Give him, Lacey!
Watch out!
Oh. Get him, Lacey! That was kind of loud. That was really loud. Get him! Kill him! What are you doing?
I don't know.
Sarah!
No, Lacey! It's not worth it! It's not worth it!
Kill him, Lacey! Get Xander!
No, he's trying to get Sarah!
Don't! No. Kill him!
I'm Sarah!
Kill him! No! Kill Xander!
Focus on me!
Kill Xander! Hey! Bad dog!
Hold on! Hey! Lacey!
Yeesh.
Lacey, go lay down!
Well, hello there.
Go lay down! Get in your bed!
Let's just focus on some cute doggies. Cuteness overload.
Xander, Sarah is fine!
She loves it when I rub her belly. Aww.
Lacey, you want me to make you go on your pedal?
Intermission is still going on. Oh.
You guys need to calm down, all of you. You're going to bed soon. I know, but she wants to. Xander, don't hold her if she's riled up. Leave her alone. Stop touching her.
Okay, we've had enough of the dog fights.
Get out of the living room. This is stupid.
Okay, the dog battle's still going on outside, but I'm just gonna grab some of these mints. No, let's try not just take the whole bucket.
Oh my god.
Oh, what, do you like the on camera, Lacey?
That woman is a monster.
Is she on camera? I can't see. The view behind her's the wrong way.
Hey! Sit over there.
No.
Get something to drink. Oh! That was like a battle to the death.
And you lost. Battle to the death?
What?
You lost.
Well, I mean, I didn't die, so I kind of won.
No, you lost.
It's battle to the death.
Even when you won, you lost. That's right, Lacey. You kill him. It'll happen someday. I just ate one of those mints. I just ate one of those mints.
Are you still videotaping?
Huh? I don't know. The moment when you see your friend filming themselves, is filming their mouths. The moment when you see your friend filming their mouths.
Guess what happened?
I apologize in advance.
This is the water and this is the... I know, I pressed like this.
Getting water struggles.
Hey guys, I'm gonna battle Lacey again.
Yeah! And you're gonna die!
Everyone, get in the person! Battle to the death. Lacey Leave versus that.
She's trying to bite you. Kill him, Lacey. Well, I think that'll do for Vlogmas today, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Hopefully I'll upload tomorrow's video quicker. Again, sorry that's so late at night, but anyways, I guess this is it. Don't worry, hopefully tomorrow there'll be more dog attacks. Goodbye.